Hello everybody and welcome to the Tony Show, where we talk about questions of the world together. My name is Tony and today I'm going to be answering another question. So continuing on with animals and alphabets, we're doing the letter C today. And an animal that I thought of starting with the letter C is the caterpillar. These guys are fuzzy, they're sometimes cute, sometimes they're not, and most of the time they're pretty dangerous. So it's best not to touch them. Now, most of us know that when a caterpillar is about to undergo metamorphosis, that is, it is about to transform into an adult butterfly, it encloses itself into a kind of temporary housing structure they make known as a chrysalis. But this is where a question arises. Like all animals, caterpillars need to breathe. But if this chrysalis is an enclosed space, the question is, how do caterpillars breathe inside a chrysalis? And I'm going to be answering that question today. But before that, let's do a little something. If you guys have ever seen a caterpillar, be honest, you guys have to go down there and hit that subscribe button and notification button so you never miss any of my uploads. Alright, let's get into it. On the left side of the slide, you can see the picture of a caterpillar. And do you see those black spots on its side, which kind of look like windows on a train right here? Well, those things are actually called spiracles or spiracle in a singular. And they kind of act like the lungs of an insect because an insect doesn't have lungs. Because spiracles are pores that help the caterpillar to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide so it can breathe. So they basically act like the lungs of an insect. Now let's look at this image of a chrysalis on the right side. And if we zoom in, do you see those black dots on the bottom of the chrysalis? Those are also spiracles. What does that mean? It means that just like how a caterpillar can take in oxygen and take out carbon dioxide, a chrysalis can also do the same thing. So basically, when a caterpillar wants to breathe, the spiracles of the chrysalis will let in oxygen inside the chrysalis, and then the caterpillar will absorb that oxygen through its spiracles. And then when it lets out carbon dioxide through its spiracles, the spiracles of the chrysalis will also let out that same oxygen back into the open air. Thus, there is an exchange of gases from in and out of the chrysalis, allowing the caterpillar to breathe properly. And that's how caterpillars breathe inside their chrysalis. Now, before you go, here are some fun facts about caterpillars. The first one is that they have over 4,000 muscles in their body. That's crazy. Just like snakes, they use their entire body to move around. Hence, they need that many muscles. The second fact is that caterpillars have 12 eyes. That's a lot of eyes. They help it to detect light. But the sad thing is, even though they don't have 12 eyes, well, they don't really help in vision and color, so they're kinda useless. The third fact is that they only have 6 true legs. That's right. It seems like they have many legs, but they really only have 6 legs. And the others are called prolegs, which help them to climb and move around. And this last one is not really a fact, it's just something. When caterpillars are babies, that is caterpillars, they damage plants by eating them. But when they are an adult butterfly, they pollinate them. So it's kind of like a metaphor for, well, basically a child and a parent. When a child is young, they are very naughty. They always cry and throw tantrums, giving stress on the parents. But when the child is big, most of the time, they repay it by giving them money when they are retired. And that's kind of sweet. So that's it for this video. Thank you for letting me to explain this question to you. And once again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification button so you never miss any of my uploads. And until the next time, it's bye from me.